Hello guys, so here is the update on the SealSend wallet extension and airdrop distribution. Earlier today they made the announcement that you have to complete your KYC to be able to get airdrop distribution, which will be happening very soon. And after the KYC on the app, for you to receive the airdrop distribution, it's gonna be on their own wallet, their own iOS wallet itself. So meaning that you have to download the SealSend iOS wallet and activate your wallet for you to be able to receive airdrop reward. So now here is the breakdown of the updates. They say we are excited to announce that SealSend iOS mainnet, which is the Ice network mainnet. I think this SealSend is the so far is the only Ice network project that is listing on the Ice network mainnet. Every other one has just been switching. I don't know. So it's now official listed on the Chrome web extension, Chrome web store. You can now install the extension and start sending fully encrypted emails with wallet-based activities, all for free during the public testnet phase. If you previously installed a local version, we recommend removing it and switching to the official listing to receive updates and improvements automatically. So for those that have previously installed the wallet extension, that is for you. I'm just installing the wallet extension for the first time now. So this does not apply to me. This one that is being highlighted is not applied to me. So if you have previously installed the wallet extension, you should remove it and download the latest one. They said no stake required yet in clause. SealSend currently works without requiring any stake. This means you can try out encryption, attachment, and wallet integration with zero upfront tokens. When we release the final version, some actions may require staked Ice or Seal tokens, but for now, you are free to explore. So if you want to know the meaning of email encryption, you can Google that. To send encrypted email, your recipients must have an active blockchain wallet address. If they don't, your message will not go through. So you see this, to send encrypted emails, your recipients must have an active blockchain wallet address. So this is just telling you the definition of email encryption. It's like sending email on the blockchain. So to activate a wallet, follow the steps. Send at least one Ice token. This is where we are going. Send at least one Ice token to your wallet, to your new wallet. Send any amount back out from that wallet. Even a fraction is fine. Now the wallet is on-chain and active. It's ready to receive encrypted messages. Important, when you create a wallet, make sure to back up your face key. Why activate early? By activating your wallet now, you will be ready to receive your Seal tokens during our upcoming distribution. That's the essence of what we are going to do, of what we are about to do in this video. If you activate your wallet, then you are ready to receive your Seal tokens upon distribution. So in forthcoming distribution, after you must have completed your KYC from the app, then you will be asked to submit this wallet that you are activating for your Seal token airdrop distribution, meaning that no activation, no distribution for you. And having an on-chain wallet already in gives you a head start and potentially a bigger share when we go live on your mainnet. So to get the SealSend wallet, this is the wallet extension. You have to copy this link and paste it to your Mrs. browser. This is where I got the link from. You see Chrome extension link, as you can see, and here is it. So you have to add this Chrome extension, meaning that you'll be needing Mrs. browser for this. Copy this link to your Mrs. browser and click on add to Chrome. For those that are already familiar to the pin airdrop, this is how we do the pin. You add your extension. So I'll click on add extension. Then after the extension has been added, I can now create a wallet which is the ION wallet. It means that your wallet, the wallet you are creating on this Sealsend, is the ION wallet, that is wallet that is happening on that is on Ice mainnet. So manage your extension by clicking on the extension tools. Okay, sorry, I closed that. I'll have to search. I'll open my extension and manage the extension here. Okay, so here is my extension. I also add it back, then I can add. So simple guide, you create create your wallet in Sealsend. The wallet you are creating here is under Ice blockchain, like the Ice mainnet wallet. So here is it. I'll just click on next. Send encrypted stick, click on next. Next. View and ready or finish. So you see create new wallet. I'm gonna create wallet because this is Ice network mainnet wallet. Then after you click on this create wallet, you see your face key, copy it and save it securely. It's your responsibility. So I'll just click on create wallet and save my face key. Then automatically I have the Ice network wallet on my device. So here is it. My wallet has been created. This is what the dashboard looks like. Remember, this wallet is not does not have an app at the moment, meaning that you copy the link to your Mrs. or Kiwi browser or use a desktop and paste it, add to your extension browser, then create a wallet and you have this. So there is no app for the wallet. Download Mrs. browser or Brave browser. Kiwi browser is no longer available. Download Mrs. browser. Sign up on Mrs. browser, have an account on it, then paste this link to download the extension under your Mrs. browser, just like Chrome. Just like you are pasting it on your Chrome browser, paste this link on your Mrs. browser, then you have this page where you'll be seeing add to Chrome as shown earlier. You are seeing remove because it is added. So once you add to Chrome, come back to the wallet from your Mrs. browser like this. You open the wallet and you see where you create a wallet. Create wallet, set your PIN, and you have this page. So I'll use my PIN to unlock the wallet and you see again. So you are seeing. So now to activate my wallet to be able to send encrypted messages and also receive Sealsend tokens. So are you seeing the Seal tokens now? Meaning that this is what you are copying to receive your Seal tokens when distribution commences. As at now, no distribution update. They are saying upcoming, meaning that you should await the distribution of your Seal airdrop if you have completed your facial verification on the app, on the mining app. If you haven't, go ahead and complete your facial verification on the mining app, then create this wallet and you have this page. Now to send to activate this wallet, I need to send in at least maybe one token, one Ice coin on Ice mainnet into this wallet. Ice mainnet, not the BSC network. You send Ice token on Ice mainnet to this wallet. You copy this address here, copy it, and wherever you have your Ice token on Ice mainnet, if it's on the on exchange, you send one here, copy this address and send from your exchange. If you have your Ice on your BSC network, that means you need to first of all migrate your Ice to the Ice mainnet network, which is bridge.ice.io. So this is where you bridge your Ice token from BSC to Ice mainnet. After the bridge is under maintenance. I made a previous video where I showed how to bridge. I will attach the link to that video in the description box of this video, and all of this link to download the Chrome extension, I will attach it to the description box of this video as well. So you can watch that video. In that video I showed how to bridge. Then you can watch it to see how you bridge your Ice from BSC to Ice mainnet. For those that are having their Ice on MetaMask or Trust Wallet or OKX Wallet, if you are having your Ice coin on BSC network on your Web3 wallet, then you have to first of all bridge to Ice mainnet network before you'll be able to send to this SealSend to this Seal wallet wallet. If you send BSC, you will not receive it. If you send Ice network on BSC here, you will not receive it. I'm repeating it. If you send Ice network on BSC network here, you will not receive it. You only need to send Ice network on Ice mainnet network. Copy this address to send. Then you can send back. You can send back. You must send and receive. That's the way to activate this wallet. Send and receive, meaning that you first of all need to send one Ice token to this address that you are seeing on your own wallet. Send one Ice, then send at least maybe like 0.1, 0.2 out. You can send it out to some other Ice network address. Make sure you send out. Do not only send in, send out. You see, copy to receive, then click on this send to send out. You see Ice, then recipient address, the person's Ice network address, then the amount, then enter your wallet PIN, then click on send. So that's how to activate this wallet. So the team announced where you can they are giving one Ice token to 10,000 people. I don't know if the 10,000 is now completed. So you see, provide your you enter the okay. Please provide the link to your X reply by copying from okay. So they made a Twitter tweet where they said they want to give 10,000 people one Ice token each. So if you reply to that tweet, copy the link of that tweet and paste it here. Then the SealSend wallet, which is what you are seeing here, the SealSend wallet, why is this wallet is locking too fast? The SealSend wallet that I showed you earlier, copy it and paste it here and submit. They said if the 10,000 people is completed, then you receive the airdrop. You receive one Ice coin to your wallet. I don't know if the 10,000 people is completed or not, but try your luck. If the 10,000 people is completed and you didn't receive, make sure to get to send Ice to your wallet and send out to activate your wallet before you'll be able to receive your SealSend airdrop. Make sure to send Ice to this SealSend wallet and send out for you to be able to activate your wallet and be eligible to receive Seal airdrop tokens to this wallet. This is the wallet you are using to receive your Seal airdrop. So I believe I've made this explanation very simple enough for you to understand and follow the instruction. So guys, this is the update about the SealSend airdrop distribution. Check every links in the description box of this video. Check the link to bridge. It's still under maintenance. Even myself, I cannot bridge now. I'll just fill the form to see if I will be eligible to receive one Ice. If I am not eligible, I'll still have to send one Ice coin on the Ice mainnet to this place. I cannot bridge at the moment. I'll wait till this bridge is cleared. So if you already have your Ice on Ice mainnet, then no need for you to bridge. Just send here and send out. Send to the SealSend wallet and send out, and that's it. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. See you guys at the next one, and bye for now.